Please, the court, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
This is a Lee County General Sessions matter, a bond hearing for Mr. Mondrell Donnell Hopkins, Hopkins. There are 3 pending warrants. This case has not been indicted. He's just been arrested a matter of weeks ago. He is represented by Charles E. Johnson of Columbia, South Carolina, and we would like to have the court set a bond on him.
Yes, sir. Will you give me the facts and any record that Mr. Hopkins may have?
Yes, sir. Mr. Hopkins does not have any record. This case grew out of a murder that occurred in Lee County on February the 6th, 2023. The victim was Mr. Lonnie Ray. Mr. Ray was meeting co-defendant of Mr. Hopkins at the KFC on 15 in Bishopville. As a result of a robbery and a shooting, Mr. Ray died. We have charged 4 individuals with murder, attempted murder, and armed robbery. This young man is one of the 4, but we believe that he was the driver of the car, did not exit the car, and did not know what was going to happen when the main co-defendant got there to actually steal a dog and take the dog by force from Mr. Ray. Mr. Mondrell has an older brother who was also in the car, and his name is Garise. Garise and Mondrell did not remove themselves from the car. They thought they were doing the main co-defendant a favor, and as a result, although they've been charged, Garise has been bonded out, and he's represented by Brett Perry, and today we're asking for a $15,000 PR bond for this young man. He has no prior record, has an attorney, and he has cooperated fully with law enforcement since his arrest, giving us the details we need to go forward against the main co-defendant next month.
Even though he's charged with murder, you're asking me to grant a $15,000 PR bond?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, you believe that that's an appropriate bond under the circumstances?
Under the circumstances, Your Honor, based on his age, based on his the lack of prior criminal history, and based on his cooperation in giving us details that we were not aware of before his arrest.
All right, thank you. Anything further on behalf of the state?
Further, all victims have been notified about this bond hearing today.
Thank you. Mr. Johnson, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you. Be glad to hear from you.
Your Honor, we just asked the court to adopt just a recommendation. Again, he was just happened to be home that day. His brother asked him to drive for him because he was tired. He just got in the car and drove. His involvement is limited to just driving there. He heard shots, he ducked, what was going on. He actually didn't realize what happened to it. Actually turned on TV sometime later, and it was on the news or something. So his involvement is just happened to be there for hunting purposes.
And obviously you would consent and agree with the $15,000 surety bond, PR bond.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Given the state is asking me to set a $15,000 PR bond on this defendant, I would be glad to do that. If someone will prepare an appropriate order to that effect.
We have, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And we put a few special conditions just to keep him away from any guns, no contact with the victim, and also to seek employment while he's awaiting his disposition of his cases.
He'll go get a job and not have any weapons in his possession, and no contact with the victims or victim's family. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I'm going to sign that bond. And I have signed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson.